Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how to fix the issue Xbox bar is not working on your Windows 11 or 10 computer. First of all, what you can do is you need to press Windows and G button, and this is a shortcut which you can open the Xbox bar on your computer. But if that is not working, just click on Start menu, then click on Settings, and once you open the settings, you need to go to Gaming and then click on Game Bar and allow your controller to open. The game bar should be on here like this. If it is off, just turn it on, and this option also should be on like this. And once this is done, go to captures and just capture audio. The same setting you should able to follow the cursor while recording the game, and this is the FPS. You can set it up, and once it is done, you need to close it. And once you close it, see if that is able to fix the issue or not. If that is unable to fix your issue, again open the Start menu, go to Settings, and we are going to repair the Xbox on your computer. Just click on Apps, then click on Install Apps, then scroll down to the bottom. System Component, just click that option, and you can search here like Game Bar, Xbox, and here is Game Bar, and you need to open it. Three dots, go to Advanced, and first step is you need to just repair it. This will repair your apps and will resolve the issue. And if that is also unable to fix your issue, just click on Reset and click on Reset, and this will reset all the related settings to your game bar, and it will fix your issue. If this is also not working for you, what you can do is you can simply go to Install Apps and type here Xbox, and just you need to click on here and just click on uninstall. Even you can go to the advanced options and simply repair it also. And if that is not working, just uninstall it and go to Microsoft Store and just type here Xbox and install this app later on, and this should able to fix your issue. If this is also unable to fix your issue could be related to your operating system as well. Simply open cmd as admin and type sfc /scan now. This is the first command you need to run, and the next command is here, this one. This will restore the image of your Windows. Just run it as well like so, and once both commands are completely done on your computer without any error, just restart your Windows. And if anyone is failed to fix your issue with these two commands, that means that this could lead the OS system related issue. You may have to reinstall the fresh window on your computer. I hope guys this solutions works for you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.